So I'm back, this time without my husband, because I'm extremely excited. I'm a flight attendant, and most times I don't have time to eat because I don't know if you travel, but there's cancellation and weather, mechanic, and yada, 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 right? So I told my husband about this thing called Hotlogic. It's a mini oven. I told him because I was starving one day and the flight attendant said, "Here, I can heat up your food." And I was like, "What? On the plane?" So she pulled out this little gadget. I was extremely happy about it. I ate my food, told my husband, got home, and guess what I got? My very own Hotlogic. So I'm gonna open this up because I have a trip tomorrow. And this baby has to come with me. So, and that's how simple it's wrapped up. So let me tell you a little bit about it. It's a portable personal oven, which is great because if you're in the break room, you know that some of these microwaves look really nasty inside. You don't even want to put your food in it. So you have your own personal little oven. You can heat this, put this on your table, on your desk, plug it in, put your food in there, because guess what it says? It says a better, safer, and tastier way to heat up. Say goodbye to food splatter, cold centers, and burnt food. And good riddance to break room appliances and waiting in line for the turn. Because you know those break room appliances, like I said, they can be nasty. So the good thing about this is that Hotlogic heats and holds food perfectly for hours without overcooking. So you can have a warm, delicious meal whenever you're ready. So I can plug this in the back, put my food in there, do service, come back. My food is ready for me to eat. So let me open it because I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm like a little kid in a candy store. Oh, look at this. It comes with its own little container, which you don't need because, like I said, I had brought my own food and I heated it up inside this little gadget thing here. And it has a hot plate. Okay. Here goes your cord. I think it says it's a 4 feet cord, 120 volt wall plug. Nice length. It's so easy and convenient. I put this in my suitcase. It doesn't take too much space. Put this in there, my food in there. Look, I haven't even read the instructions. Just put this in there, plug it in, and that's it. But I'm gonna read the instructions just in case. But honestly, I mean, it looks like it's just that simple. And as I recall, when I used it, it was that simple. So let's see, a warm welcome. Oh, that sounds like our mattress or our pillows or something else that we bought that said that. Our busy schedules and on-the-go lifestyles often keep us from enjoying hot, healthy meals. You deserve better. Say hello to a fresh, convenient solution to mealtime. We hope Hotlogic allows you to savor each and every day. That's really nice. And also here is we guarantee all our products. If you, for any reason you're not satisfied, you can bring this back for full refund. But again, I've used it and I'm extremely satisfied. It has a quick start guide to it. And again, I know it's very simple. It has an extended warranty for up to a year. As yummy as 1, 2, 3. Put food in Hotlogic, zip it up and plug it in. Unzip and enjoy. Holds temp for up to 12 hours. That simple. Anyway, you guys really need to get this. It's a game changer, I promise you. Subscribe to us, One Love TV, below, and click on there and get your Hotlogic. All right, guys, see you next time.